Hello, welcome to today's video where I'm going to show you how to fix a broken fence post. So first of all, I need to get through to the right side of the fence. So now we're through, I'll show you all the tools that we're going to need to repair this post. So the main thing being the concrete spur with the correct coach screws, a level, spade and the concrete breaker is pretty critical for getting the old concrete off. You can use an impact drill for this, but I recommend getting one of these. So now the top layer of concrete's off, you can see where the post is broken. It's a very common issue that we deal with on a weekly basis, and this is definitely a very simple and effective way to solve the problem. So with these holes, you're probably aiming between 1.5 to 2 foot deep, depending on what the ground's like. Okay, so the hole's about ready. We're just going to pop the spur in. They usually come in lengths of around 1.2 meters, which is plenty for that depth of hole. And what you want to watch out for here is that the bottom hole for the screw doesn't go in below where the post is split. You want to get it in higher, so make sure you don't go too deep with the hole, because otherwise the first screw will be going into rotten wood. So I like to just pre-drill the holes first so that the post doesn't split when the coach screws go into them. And then you're just going to tighten these with a ratchet. If you're enjoying this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Now for the important bit, get the post level, use a prop if needed. I've got one set up on the other side. Then just stick your water in, and then obviously your postcrete on top. And just pop a bit of the soil back around the edge, and then job done. So obviously it's quick drying stuff, so it doesn't take long, but I recommend sometimes just leaving a prop on just until the next day. So that's another job done. Thanks for watching as always, and hopefully I'll see you next time.